If you've ever craved that perfect, leopard-spotted Neapolitan crust, but didn't want the hassle of managing with fires or constantly swapping out propane tanks, the Ooni Koda 16 natural gas model is exactly the upgrade your outdoor kitchen needs. It combines Ooni's legendary high heat performance with the ultimate convenience of a permanent, reliable fuel source. The Koda 16 is widely considered the gold standard for home pizza enthusiasts who want extra room to work with. That 16-inch cooking area isn't just for big pizzas. It gives you the crucial space needed to turn your pie comfortably, ensuring an even bake every single time. Why the natural gas model is a game changer. Set it and forget it convenience. By tapping into your home's existing natural gas line, you completely eliminate the worry of running out of fuel mid-cook. No more mid-party grocery runs for propane canisters. Consistent, high-heat power. Natural gas provides a clean, steady flame that lets the Koda 16 reach temperatures up to 950 degrees Fahrenheit 500 degrees Celsius in about 20 minutes. This is the sweet spot for that authentic, 60-second, restaurant-quality bake. Innovative L-shaped burner. This signature design creates a consistent waterfall of flame that flows over the top of the oven and across the back, providing perfect heat distribution. You don't have to fiddle with the pizza nearly as much as you would in other ovens. Versatility beyond pizza. The spacious opening and interior make this oven perfect for more than just pizza. You can roast joints of meat, bake bread, or char vegetables, making it a true outdoor kitchen staple. Important things to know before you buy. Permanent installation. Unlike the propane version, which you can easily toss in the back of a car for camping trips, the natural gas model is designed to be a permanent fixture in your backyard. You will need a qualified professional to connect it to your home's gas supply. Fuel compatibility. Crucial note. This model is designed specifically for natural gas and cannot be converted to propane. It includes the necessary regulator and hose for a standard low-pressure natural gas setup, but ensure your home has a compatible quick connect line available before you purchase. Outdoor use only. Like all gas-powered pizza ovens, this must be used in a well-ventilated outdoor space. Is it right for you? If you are someone who loves hosting backyard pizza nights and wants the most efficient, hassle-free, and professional experience possible, the Ooni Koda 16 natural gas model is hard to beat. It's built like a tank, incredibly easy to operate, and delivers professional results every time you fire it up. If you are ready to turn your backyard into the best pizzeria in town, you can find the best price for the Ooni Koda 16 natural gas pizza oven by clicking the link below.